Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Volume 3 palette. This is described by ABH as a professional grade artistry palette. It has 25 deluxe size high performance shades with a stunning autumn themed color story. This is a limited edition palette that retails for $60. The palette has a plastic casing just like Volume 1 and Volume 2 palettes, which I already did swatches for. I'll have them linked on the top right corner for those that are interested. This palette has a good quality heavy plastic with a magnetic closure and a large good quality mirror. The palette was released on September 26 on ABH website and Sephora online and in stores. The palette will only be available at ABH website, Sephora.com, and in Sephora stores. This will not be available at any other retailers. This is another colorful palette, but in my opinion, I feel this may be the most wearable out of the three. It has a mixture of neutrals, golds, oranges, greens, and plums. The eyeshadows are labeled from A through E and 1 through 5. Out of the 25 eyeshadows, 17 are mattes and 8 are shimmers, and 17 out of the 25 are pressed pigments. So when I did the swatches for the matte shades, they were Velvety, Soft, and Pigmented. 2 shadows did swatch patchy, and those were E2 and E4. But when I tested them with the blending brush and a primer, I didn't have any issues with any of them. I did notice a little bit of kick up and fallout. For the shimmers, these all swatched pigmented and without any issues. They glide easy using a finger application or a wet synthetic brush. The shades D4 and E5 were the only 2 shimmers that felt a bit dry. I didn't notice any staining with this palette. I did, however, notice the same smell that I had with my Volume 1, but I know that if I do air it out, it does go away. So overall, if you like the color story, I definitely recommend this palette. I didn't have any issues blending the eyeshadows or pressed pigments. If you only want to pick one out of the 3 palettes, I definitely recommend this one. So with that being said, I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette, and are you guys planning on picking it up? Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.